Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this DevExpress section we are going to cover a font edit in DevExpress. So first we go to the from toolbox font edit. Just I move over here and let's resize our font, maybe something like this. Let's also resize the font, and then we'll add the label control here. Label from DevExpress, label control, and let's from properties, let's write it. This is label control for font edit. I write something like this. I put in the middle. Maybe like this is enough. Now what we are going to do, let's first run it. I want to show you here. As you see that we have all bunch of the font. If we choose any font, we want our label to be changed according to the what we choose in here. And now let's from FontEdit, let's first name this components. This is label control, I will say LBL font, and here we have FontEdit. I just remove the one, and now from events, select index change. Whenever we choose any fonts, this event it will be invoked. Let's double click this one. First let's get our font. I say var font, and then I say font edit text. The reason before I tried this one, I couldn't do it properly. For example, usually we choose the font and name or font family, but whatever you choose, always it gives us like a tahamu. It is something with the general option with the DevExpress. For example, maybe you can try this one. Let's put a breakpoint here. Let's run it. And now if I use Algerian, and let's, as you see that, Tahamu. I think something with the general we have to do it. I couldn't do it. If later I check it, maybe. I will write below as a comment. But I just find another way, because here, whenever we choose any font, it gives us the font name as a text here. I need this one. 1 minute. I need this text edit. Then I will set inside my label control as a font. Now what I'm going to do, I will write LBL font appearance font, and then I will say new font, and then I will write the name of my font here, and then the size, I put maybe 14, and since it's full, I just write F. Let's run it how it is functioning. For example, here if I choose Algerian, it's maybe 14 is too much, or let's do something such things maybe. Let's run it again. Put it better. As you see that all our font is changing based off one we choose. You have a lot of fonts here, you can choose whatever you want. Now, as I earlier mentioned, I don't know, there's maybe main options here. We have to change something here. Later I will just write as a comment below. This is how we change any our fonts from DevExpress. You can do even, for example, let's see here, when I choose Algerian and this is my Tahama font, I can change this one as well. I will come here, sorry, I will say FontEdit, appearance. Here we don't have, maybe properties, appearance, yeah, and the font, I will say new font, and then I write font here, and then this is default font size in DevExpress, or in, I think in, to say maybe in Visual Studio as well. And let's run it, so it is functioning. I choose Algerian, as you see that it choose, but with the font. We have a lot of fonts, I think you get later. If you are really interested, you can check it. And you can check this one for more properties. For example, we can sort it our fonts as alphabetically, for example from A, as you see that is from A, it just sorted it. And for more options from all properties, you can check here, for example, if something maybe you want to check it and learn it, here is better to see. Anyway, this is our font edit in DevExpress. See you next video. Please, if you like my channel, subscribe.